Today we will be doing exercise 2.4 of class 8th, and first question of it is Amina thinks of a number. So, thinks of a number means we can suppose it x. First step, let the number be x. Thinks of a number. So we have supposed number is x and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. From means it means x, and from means x will come first. All of you know, from it subtract 5 by 2. She multiplies the result. The meaning of result here is bracket, means this answer is result, by 8. Multiplies by 8. You can write 8 here also, one in the same thing. So I am writing here 8 multiply the bracket. The result now this is the new result. Obtained is means equal 3 times. 3 times means multiply. You should know the meaning of each and every word when you are doing this chapter of linear equations. 3 times the same number is x. I hope you understood this. Now we can solve it easily. First multiply this 8 with x, bracket, it's 8x, then this minus 8 multiply 5 by 2, which is equals to 3x. We can cancel this 2 and 4. So this is 8x minus 20 is equals to 3x. 8x minus 3x is equals to 20. 5x is equals to 20. This 5 will go in the denominator. So 20 by 5, and this is 4. Last line, very important to write always. So the number B, not this time B, number is, our number is 4. Now second question is, a positive number is 5 times another number. So here are two numbers. So when we start solution, let first number be x and another number be 5x, because it is written positive number is 5 times another number. So one is x and other is 5x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, so you can do the step in rough. If 21 is added to both x plus 21 and 5x plus 21, because it is written 21 is added to both means x plus 21 and 5x plus 21, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So how can we suppose which number we should write on the left and which number we should write on the right side? One of the new number becomes twice. So this is greater. So we will write 5x plus 21. New number, this becomes equal twice 2 multiply. Twice means 2 multiply other new number, which is x plus 21. Now easy to solve. 5x plus 20. Why did I keep this number 5x plus 21 on the left? Because this is bigger. So this will be twice, 2 times the other number. Obviously this is smaller. This is x and this is 5 times that number. So this is smaller. This is equals to, open this bracket, 2 multiply x and 2 multiply 21 is 42. Shift like terms on one side, 5x minus 2x, 42 minus 21, this is 3x, x is equals to, all of you know, this 3 will go in division, x is equals to 7. So one number is 7 and other number is 5 multiplies 7, which is 35. This is our final answer. If you want to check your answer, you can go back to the equation and put the values. Left and right will be equal. Then you can say your answer is right. Now the third question, student feel it difficult, and this question you will do in 10th class again, but with two variables. And here in 8th, the name of the chapter is linear equation in one variable. So we'll use only one variable. Question is, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. This is basically the important point. 2-digit number. So as you know, if I write here, this is rough work. If I write here, suppose I write 35. How many digits? 2 digit. This is at ones place, this is at tens place. So we will suppose let digit at ones place, not number, digit, ones place is equals to x, and other digit which is at tens place. How can we suppose the digit at tens place? This is given. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Just leave this line and read it. Sum of the digits is 9. Again in rough. See, sum of the digit here is 8. Similarly, in our question it is 9. So if one digit is 9, other should be 9 minus x. You can add these two and check. These two will get cancelled, and what is the sum of these two? 9. So digit at ones place is x, so digit at tens place is 9 minus x. You can check after adding these two. When you will add this x minus x will become 0, and sum of these two things will be 9. Sum of the digits is 9. So if one digit is x, other will be 9 minus x. It is up to you. You can suppose this as ones and this as tens. It is up to you. So our ones digit I have supposed as x and tens digit as 9 minus x. Other step from here, 35, it can be written as, if you remember, in expanded form. How can we write this? This is at tens place, so we multiply by 10. This is at ones place, so we multiply it with 1, and in between the plus sign. Tens place, ones place. So how can we write this? We will write it as original number, which is equals to tens place means 10 multiply 9 minus x. Ones place means 9 multiply 1. X multiply 1. Tens place means multiply by 10. Ones place means multiply by x. Open this bracket. It's 10 nines are 90 minus 10x plus x ones are x. Final is 90 minus 9x. I hope this is clear to you. Now next is reversed. If we reverse the number, then if it is 35, then it will become 53. Reversed means this will become ones place and this will become tens place. So we will write, if we reverse the number, ones place will become 9 minus x and tens place will become x, and our reverse number will be tens place means x multiplied 10 and ones place means this should be multiplied with 1 and plus sign. Just like 53. 53 can be written as 5 into 10 because this is tens place, this is ones place, and 3 multiply 1 plus. Expanded form all of you know. So this is 10x. When you multiply with 1, nothing will be changed. 10x minus x will be 9x plus 9. This is our original number. I am writing in short original number, and this is our reverse number. Now further we move on to the question. Next line of the question. It is found that resulting new number, it means resulting new number, which is new number, reversed number, is means equal, greater than original by 27. Greater means plus 27 by which number? Original number. Again read this. Resulting new number. New number is reversed. Is means equal. Greater means plus. Original by 27. So original number by 27. Now we'll put the values. Reverse number is 9x plus 9. Original number is 90 minus 9x plus 27. Now shifting all the like terms on one side, it's 90, it's plus 27. Shift this 9, it will become minus 9. It is 9x. Shift this 9x, it will become plus 9x. So it is 18x is equals to 108. And x is equals to, this 18 will go in division, 108 by 18. So it is 18's 6, 108. We have got x, so we'll write ones place digit is equals to 6 and tens place digit is equals to 9 minus 6 is 3 and original number is equals to tens place is 3, ones place is 6. So this is our final answer. Now fourth question is also of 2-digit number that we have, as we have done in third. Same we will consider digit. Let digit at ones place is equals to x. Sorry. One of the two digits is 3 times the other. So we'll write 3 times digit at tens place is equals to 3x, because it is written one of the two digits is 3 times the other. So if ones place is x, tens place is 3x, and we know original number how to write. Just now we learnt how to write it. If it is tens, then multiply with 10. If it is ones, then multiply it with 1 and put the addition sign. This is 30x plus x, which is equals to 31x. Next is, if you interchange the digits, okay, directly I am writing, you can also write in exam. That third question was the explanation, that's why I explained over there. Now you understood, that's why I am writing directly. Reverse number is equals to, just interchange these two. This will be ones place, so 3x into 1, and this will be tens place, multiply it with 10 and you will get 10x plus 3x, which is equals to 13x. So reverse number is 13 and original number is 31x. This is 13x, this is 31x. This 2-digit number, if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, it means according to question, original number plus a reverse number, you get 88. Now easy to solve. This is 31x, this is 13x is equals to 88, 44x is equals to 88, x is equals to 88 by 44, which is equals to 2. So original number is equals to 31x, which is equals to 31 multiplied 2, which is equals to 62. This is our final answer. What is the original number they have asked?